Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find out a domain owner in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to find out the owner of a domain, whether you need to contact the domain owner for business inquiries, domain purchases example, or even other reasons. There are several methods that you can use to discover their identity. So follow this step-by-step guide to find out the owner of a domain in 2024 and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you will need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave, or you can use whatever you want. So you can start, like as an example, with Whois lookup. Whois database store information about domain registrations, including the owner contact details. So you can visit Whois lookup service. As an example, just type here Whois lookup as an example. And basically, just click on this first link and you'll find yourself, of course, here on their websites right away. So all you need to do is simply enter domain name of anything. So let's say, example, I'll just type a domain name of websites that we have here in our country. It's a PC like website or something like that. So as an example, validation required. So of course I'll just check if that's robots, cars. I'll just check for cars. There's a car, there's a car, there's a car, there's a car, there is a car here, and that should be it. Yeah. So I'll just go here and click on continue or go. And yeah, so as you can see, you'll get all the informations that you want about this domain from a register, from status, from the dates, from the name servers, IP location, and everything. Everything that you need to know. Even the registrant email, as an example, an admin email, tech email, like numbers, registered countries, everything that you want. As simple as that. So, of course, I'll just go back and look for another thing, like maybe Google. Google.com, search. As you can see, so here you'll find everything again, like every information that you need, like everything, register status, dates. As you can see, it will expire on this date. If you want to like get the google.com domain, make sure to get it on this time. Of course, I'm just kidding. Name servers, IP address, like who is record, like all the informations about the contact email and informations, numbers, and etc. You will get everything from here. So other than that, if you don't want to use this Whois lookup service, you can check domain register informations. Like as example, if the Whois information is protected by a privacy service, the domain register may still provide like a way to contact the owner. You can look the domain register contacts information in the Whois result. So as an example, if we type here, I don't know, maybe facebook.com. So if the owner of this domain like sets the privacy of his domain name, normally you'll not find a lot of information about it, but you'll find the domain provider as an example of that domain. So as an example, it's going to be registrar safe. So registrar safe as an example. And yeah, let's just go into that. So okay, maybe it's the name of the company here. So what's about like the dates, name servers, IP address, ISIN, register history as example, domain name as example, registry domain, register who is server, URL. So normally this URL should work, but I don't know why it didn't work. But let me just go here and enter the URL right away. So I'll just go here and click on advanced, proceed. Yeah, so normally this is like for Meta, as you can see, we're not accepting a retail domain name registration example. If you want to contact us, example. So of course, let's just get out of the big companies. Let's just go to our normal websites. I don't know if Wikipedia is counted. I don't know how do you write Wikipedia. Wait, let me just be sure of that. So I'll just get that Wikipedia, and okay, I'll just close that. It's .org, so org organization. And okay, so mark monitor. We just go here, mark monitor. So yeah, as you can see, yeah. So here you can get like where they buy the domain from. So you can simply just go and connect with an expert's example. on monitor and ask them about the information of this man, as example of the website owner or of this domain owner, if they can provide you with that. If not, uh, I don't know what you can do other than that, of course, of that specific option. So you can simply just pass to the next step, which is check the domain's websites example. So visit domain websites like Wikipedia .org as an example. Here, let's just say an example. I'll just scroll down. Normally, on websites, if you scroll down, you'll find here about us or contact us option. If you find it, you may find that you can simply just check out if there's any information there. Like just look up for copyright notices. These notices like often includes the name of an individual or company that owns the domain, and the copyright information can give you like a clue about the domain owner identity. Other than that, you will be able, as an example, if these three options didn't work, like using the Whois lookup, if go in, like example, just on Whois gets where they get the domain from and contact the domain like provider. If that didn't work out, if looking up on the copyright notice didn't work out, like there is nothing like there is nothing like more specific to do, but other than some tries, like it might work, it might not work. Like, first of all, you can search for the domain on social media. Search for the domain name on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Many businesses and individuals link their domain to their social media profiles, which can improve additional contact information. You can even use the domain analysis tool, uh, domain tools or similar web to gather like additional information about the domain. This tool can provide insights into the domain registration, ownership, and contact information. They often list the company or individual associated with the domain, or you can simply contact the web hosting provider. Or, as example, if you need to find a domain owner for legal reasons or serious inquiries, consider hiring a professional service or a lawyer. They can help you navigate legal channels to obtain the information you need, especially if privacy protections are in place. And yeah, I guess that's all you can do about it. So there you have it. There are several methods to help you find out the owner of a domain in 2024. Whether you're using Whois lookup service, checking domain websites, leveraging social media, these steps should help you identify the owner. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.